Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the TWIN BUSCH Garage Lift TW242G. The basic line lift TW242G has 2 powerful hydraulic cylinders to lift vehicles of up to 4.2 tons. Let's take a look at the TW242G in action. The rubber door protector protects the vehicle door against accidental damage. Due to its extra flat telescopic lifting arms, the TW242G is well suited for sports cars, as most TWIN BUSCH lifts are. The lifting arms are automatically locked when going up. The automatic safety locking system protects the lift against unintentional lowering. The TW242G is unlocked manually. Depending on the ceiling height and the required working height, the TW242G is also suited for bigger vehicles. The hydraulic cylinders are relieved by setting the lift in the safety locks, and the lift can be used as a parking lift depending on the height of the vehicle and the ceiling. The TW242G impresses with its particularly compact dimensions. With a length of almost 3 meters and a height of 233 centimeters, the lift is 45 centimeters narrower and 50 centimeters shorter than a regular 2-post lift. This means that it can also be used in confined spaces and garages. If required, 2-post lifts from Twin Busch with full lifting height can also be shortened in width. This can be useful for garages with higher ceilings. We are happy to help you. Take advantage of our all-in-one service. We offer a nationwide delivery, assembly and spare parts service in most countries.